हाय, हाउ आर यू?
I'm good. How is life?
बस यार चल रहा है, आप बताओ।
काम कैसा चल रहा है?
चल रहा है यार, बसर है, इतना स्ट्रेस चल रहा है। बहुत कुछ करना है, फैमिली को भी देखना है, ऑफिस भी देखना है, टाइम ही नहीं है अपने लिए। बहुत स्ट्रेस हो जाता है, तो समझ में नहीं आता, माइंड फॉग।
Have you ever thought कि हम सबके पास उतना ही टाइम है, लेकिन फिर भी कुछ लोग ज्यादा कर पाते हैं, कुछ लोग नहीं कर पाते हैं।
हाँ वो तो है, बट समझ में नहीं आता कैसे मैनेज करूँ। 24 घंटे सबके पास है और काम खत्म ही नहीं होता कभी।
Actually, you know what? There is a conference happening on December 17th and 18th. It's been organized by Abhyudaya on their 10th anniversary.
Okay.
That's a perfect place where I think you'll get some great insights.
Okay. What kind of insights will I get?
So it's a conference and theme is spirituality to reality, where they are combining the ancient wisdom of the chakras and how the same framework can elevate our living today.
Okay, but I want a time for that.
It's a virtual conference, so you have you can join it in the comfort of your home, and they have experiential sessions as well as they have experts coming from across the globe.
So what kind of solution I can find? I mean, in my lifestyle, what kind of solutions I can? I have no time. Like, I don't know what kind of solutions I can get.
So a lot of time, not having time is a symptom of one of your energy centers blocked. And what you will learn is how to manage and open up your energy centers, change your state and mindset so that you can create more time.
Can you give an example?
For example, you're a senior leader, and sometimes I think you struggle with managing your teams, being very connected with them. And one of the sessions is From Fear to Freedom. How as leaders, our fears of how we are being perceived stop us. And that session will open up your experience of being vulnerable with your team, how you can influence them, be more connected with them.
And what are the other topics that I can, is there an agenda, is there a document I can look at?
Yes.
See whether it is relevant for me?
There is a link below. You can click on it. You'll have the agenda and a registration link as well.
And is it important to attend the whole conference? I mean, I don't have time.
You can choose your sessions, which one aligns more with what your need is, or you can choose to attend the entire session, which I'm sure you will once you get there.
Really? Yeah. I have that much of confidence.
Absolutely.
Can we go through it? I think I'll just check it out and I would love to find some solutions for myself.
I hope it works for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.